as a motorist have the right to choose what shop you want to bring it to.
So I get into a car accident on the highway. Tow truck driver says, I want to bring it. This is the shop you want to go to.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, no. I know my friend Charbel owns a shop. I want it taken there. And does that mean that my insurance will push back to say, no, you should be using our approved shop potentially? We want you to take it there. Do I still have the right as an owner of the vehicle to say where I want my vehicle repaired?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely, Mike. You as a motorist have the right to choose what shop you want to bring it to.
Okay.
You cannot be bullied to take it to a certain shop. You as a motorist have the right to take it where you want.
Because I think there is honestly a lot of shades of gray in there where people think that they are obligated to do exactly what their insurance company tells them, and they're forced to have to go to a shop that, quite frankly, might be inconvenient for them.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I know that there's a TD shop out in Stony Creek that I know of that recently opened a couple of years ago. And if I'm living in Grimsby or Hamilton, and that's the only shop, if I've got a guy up the road that I know or have heard of or done a Google review and seen that, gee, he's pretty good, why can't I take it there? Because he's 2 blocks away from my house.
Mm-hmm.
I still have that right.
That's right. Yeah, exactly. It's your car. It's your right, your choice.
And there shouldn't be any pushback from the insurance.
No, there shouldn't. There, like, I think
I bet
a lot
there
of,
is,
there is.